For mid-career professionals like you, Shantanu, I also emphasize on the importance of building a personal brand. And I think you have already embarked on that journey. Have you started noticing any changes in the way the world sees you, the world approaches you? Any wins that you had on that front in terms of people reaching out to you for job opportunities, or connecting, or for some of the engagements? Can you?
Yes, certainly. When I was going through some of these personal branding exercises that we've gone through the course, right? I did see that, instead of always me applying to companies, there were a lot of instances where people started approaching me saying, Shantanu, we have an opening. Would you like to interview with us? Would you like to give us a chance? Right? And when I just sat down and realized, how did this happen vis-a-vis where I was, say, 3 months or 6 months ago, right? This is because of the personal branding that I'm trying to create for myself, number one. And then number two is that, the kind of engagement that I'm having with some of these people, be it in terms of networking or being on LinkedIn.
Yeah, so you're actively networking, actively reaching out to people.
Absolutely, yes.
Wonderful. So okay, so you definitely see a lot of changes now, and you see that more and more people are willing to connect with you or respond to your messages. So you see perceivable changes on that.
Yes. So they are directly asking me, saying, Shantanu, we have an opening. Would you like to engage with us?
Wonderful. Right. That's the place you want to be. That's the place you want to be.
Yes.
What's the
you
point?
Want to be in the demand market,
right?
Yes. You want to be the person in demand where people ask you to.
Right. Yeah. Absolutely. And in your case, the journey has just begun. So there's a wonderful journey ahead if you continue to invest in your personal branding, time and effort, actually. Great.